I've always loved programming, digging into code, experimenting, and making something better. That's what led me to the Bachelor of Information Technology at UTS and to applying for the Co-op Scholarship Program. You don't just learn about tech, you're placed in industry and hone your skills right from the start. From the first semester, everything felt practical. The way the subjects built on each other, the hands-on labs, and the work-integrated learning meant the theory came to life through the placements I was doing alongside my studies. The industry experience doesn't just build technical skills. It teaches collaboration and problem solving, the kind you only learn by working in a team. My internship at Updoc was the real shift for me. From day one, the mentorship and trust they gave me was huge. I started in customer support, learning about the problems users were facing. Then I moved into the product team, where I got to help solve those issues. Seeing my work improve how the platform functioned helped me to prove to myself and others what I'm capable of. Updoc has since offered me an ongoing position as a junior software engineer. My experience in the course has opened my eyes to how many paths there are in tech. You can be a programmer at a big company, part of a startup, or you can build something of your own. Through the BIT Co-op, I've learned how to think bigger, build better, and back myself. And I'm excited to see where that takes me.